Welcome to Brain Vision.
Hello, today we will be determining if we have a probability distribution or a distribution today. But before doing that, we will be discussing or reviewing what a probability distribution is. And definition of probability distribution is a table or an equation that links each outcome of a statistical experiment with its probability of occurrence. And of course, the two rules that accompany that, quick definition, is that 1, all probabilities in the probability distribution must be between 0 and 1. We can't have any negative probabilities and no probabilities greater than 1 because, well, then it's not a probability anymore. And number 2, the sum of all the probabilities must equal 1. If we have more or less than 1, then we're either accounting for some event more times than it actually occurs, or if it's less than 1, then we're missing some event. We're missing some of our possible outcomes and we're just not including them. Now, our example for today, as I will draw out now, dropping my pen, is as follows. We have X, our event on top, and our probability on bottom. Oops. Sorry, I swear that's next. So our X's today are 20, 30, 40, and 50. And our probabilities are 0.05, 0.35, 0.4, and 0.2. Now, to start with, first thing we can see is that we have no negative probabilities or any that exceed 1. So we know that rule number 1 is followed. Now our next check will be the total of all our probabilities. So we got to calculate that up. So 0.05 and 0.35 become 0.4. 0.4 plus 0.2, 0.6, and if we add those together, our total is 1. So rule number 2 is also followed. So now we know that the distribution written out here is indeed a probability distribution. It is a table that can link each outcome of a statistical experiment with the probability of occurrence for that outcome, because all of the requirements for it to be a probability distribution are met.